Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Excuse me, I had to clear my voice. Getting old and I'm getting that old craggly voice sometimes. I put this hanging feeder in here and I'm going to raise it up some because they're eating out the top of it. So I want to get, they put their butts up against anything, use the bathroom. Seeing the water, and that was just cleared out a few hours ago. It's getting to be around lunchtime here. I put them that little hanging roost. I'm gonna come out here tonight after it gets dark and see if they're putting it to use, but most of the time they will. And I've got to make up some better roost for them, but you look at this ground and look at that out there. That's how this ground was 4 days ago maybe, but I want to pick a day of the week and move them. And matter of fact, I'll be half in this flock for another one of these hoop coops. And I really haven't been on a lot. I've been doing other work and I'm kind of semi-retired, so I'm working by myself now, so that takes up a lot of my time. And I'm doing things a lot different at the farm. I've made money with the farm, but I can't say the farm's ever been profitable for me. So that's my goal, is to make this farm profitable, where at least, you know, I'll be eating eggs or eating meat birds and using chickens to, on a grander scale, to clean and fertilize my garden area. Which you figure if I build another one this big, that's 160 square feet. About once a week I'll be able to clear out and then till up. And I've got some debris in here. I brought them some pumpkins that were grown, and they've ate out the majority of the pumpkins. I love pumpkins, and but they'll get about anything that comes near. I'm gonna put some motion sensor lights on this hoop coop as well to help with any predation. And when Amelia gets brushed, and I go to the barber shop, I'll get hair from them and sprinkle it out around, just so that'll kind of keep different critters away. I lost 3 good laying hens because of something. I'm thinking it's probably a raccoon, but there's other ways you can urinate around your pen, and that's about as far as I'm willing to go. And but that'll help keep predators away. And then the dogs out here, their smell. And I'm saying in of a lot. I don't know why. It's been a long time since I've done a longer video, so please excuse me. But I've got a plethora of bird varieties this year, and I just like the different colored eggs in a carton. To me, it just looks beautiful. And as far as crops go, I'll be planting a lot of garlic for this winter, and next year I'm gonna have some pretty good collard plants and sell them, and see just how much, you know, better I can make the garden do. And I've got 2 bags of fertilizer I need to spread out in garden areas, but I've got one big area I'm just going to grow corn. But I'm looking for GMO-free seeds now, and they're getting kind of hard to find. And I want a heirloom seed where I can keep my own seeds, and don't have to worry about these seed outlets anymore. I'll just have my own. That's about a 4-minute video. I haven't made a video this long in a while. Oh, there'll be some videos coming up. I want to address this. Some videos coming up that are old videos. I didn't realize I had as many old videos as I did, but a lot of those, if the time of year don't make sense, or, you know, it just seems out of sequence, and I beg your forgiveness for that. But it's just, I saw those old videos, and started putting those will be coming out every Sunday. And I'm hoping to do some memory videos again. I always like those memory videos. There's some good times for the most part, but I'm getting old, and sometimes something will spur a memory. And I'm thinking about stopping where me and my old buddy Craig used to fish. It'd be kind of hard on me on that. I'll have to maybe stop there one day, then do a video another day, because I know there'll be a lot of memories and good memories there with him. Oh, there was always laughter when we were out there fishing. But I'll do a video on that. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. And thank you if you made it to the end. Bye-bye. God bless.